English in context, South Africa's economic landscape. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into South Africa, an English-speaking country with a rich history and diverse cultural tapestry. In this episode, we'll focus on South Africa's economy and its major industries. So, buckle up and let's explore the economic landscape of this beautiful nation. South Africa is known for its mineral wealth, and it's one of the world's largest producers of gold, platinum, and diamonds. But there's so much more to the country's economy than just mining. Over the years, South Africa has diversified its economy, making it the second largest in Africa. The nation has a mixed economy, meaning it has both private and public enterprises. Major industries include mining, manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. Mining has been the backbone of South Africa's economy for decades. From gold and platinum to diamonds and coal, South Africa has vast mineral resources. The city of Johannesburg, often referred to as Egoli, or the City of Gold, was founded due to the gold rush in the late 19th century. South Africa boasts a robust manufacturing sector, producing a range of goods from automobiles to textiles. Automotive manufacturing is particularly significant, with major international brands having production facilities in the country. The nation is also a key player in chemical processing and information technology. Agriculture plays a vital role in South Africa's economy. The country's diverse climate allows for the production of a wide variety of crops. Wine production is a major industry, with South African wines gaining international acclaim. Other key agricultural products include maize, sugarcane, and fruits like oranges and apples. With its picturesque landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural heritage, South Africa is a major tourist destination. From the Table Mountain in Cape Town to the Kruger National Park, tourists flock to the country to experience its unique attractions. Tourism not only brings in revenue but also creates jobs, making it a crucial sector for South Africa. There you have it, an overview of South Africa's vibrant economy and its major industries. From the depths of its mines to the beauty of its landscapes, the country is truly a land of opportunities and wonders. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of South Africa's economic landscape. Stay tuned for more insights on English in context, and happy learning!